In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check off tasks in Coda so you can keep your to-do lists accurate and your projects moving forward. Coda is a powerful all-in-one doc that blends documents, spreadsheets, and databases, and knowing how to mark tasks complete is essential for staying organized and actually seeing your progress in real time. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to coda.io. Once the page loads, sign into your Coda account using whichever method you prefer, whether that's your Google account, your email, or another single sign-on provider. It's the same simple process every time, and once you're logged in, you'll land on your Coda home screen, which shows all of your recent documents. From here, you can either click on the document that contains the checklist you want to update, or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of docs. Just find the right one and open it up. Now that you're inside your document, navigate to the specific page where your checklist lives. Coda documents can have multiple pages or subpages, much like a wiki or a notebook, so make sure you're on the correct tab. Once you're there, take a moment to scan the page and locate the task you've actually completed. Each checklist item in Coda should have a small, clickable checkbox sitting right beside it. These checkboxes are what make the whole system work. They're your simple on and off switch for task completion. Go ahead and click that checkbox next to the task you've finished. As soon as you click, Coda immediately marks that item as completed. Depending on how your document or table is formatted, you'll see a visual change right away. Most commonly, the checkbox fills in with a check mark, and the task text may get a strike-through line through it, or it might change color or fade slightly. This instant feedback is one of the things that makes Coda so satisfying to use. You can see your progress updating in real time, which gives you that little motivational boost to keep going. Continue down your list and click the checkboxes for any other tasks you've finished. You can do them one by one, or if you're on a roll, you can click through quickly. The system handles each click instantly, so there's no lag or delay. This is a great moment to remember that Coda automatically saves every change you make, so you don't have to worry about hitting a save button or losing your progress. Every checkbox you click is stored immediately in the cloud, which means your checklist is always up to date, whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or phone. Now, let's talk about a common scenario. What happens if you accidentally mark the wrong task as complete? Maybe you clicked the wrong box, or you realize a task actually needs more work. No worries at all. Just click that same checkbox again, and it will uncheck itself, returning the task to its incomplete state. This toggle ability is incredibly useful because it means your checklist is always flexible and responsive to reality. You're never locked into a mistake, and you can adjust your progress on the fly. As you work through your tasks, it's a good habit to review your checklist regularly. I recommend taking a quick look at the start or end of each day, just to see what's been checked off and what still needs your attention. This simple practice helps you stay aware of your workload and prevents tasks from slipping through the cracks. You might also notice patterns, like certain types of tasks that always get delayed, which can help you plan better in the future. One of the best things about checking off tasks in Coda is that the system does all the heavy lifting for you. Because Coda saves automatically, every box you click is locked in instantly. There's no manual save, no refresh needed, and no risk of losing your changes if you close the browser by accident. That automatic saving is a huge time saver, especially when you're working through a long list and you just want to move quickly. Keeping your checklists updated does more than just look neat. It directly improves your productivity and helps you track the progress of your projects over time. When you consistently mark tasks as complete, you build a clear visual record of what you've accomplished. That record can be incredibly motivating, and it also makes it easier to share your progress with teammates or stakeholders. To wrap up, you now know exactly how to check off tasks in Coda. Just open your document, find the checkbox, and click. It's that simple, and because Coda saves automatically, your progress is always safe. For best results, mark tasks as complete as soon as you finish them. Review your list regularly to stay on track, and don't be afraid to uncheck a task if it needs more work. Keep your task descriptions clear and specific, and consider breaking larger tasks into smaller checklist items for easier tracking. Thanks for watching, and if you ever need a refresher, just come back to this video. Happy task managing!